In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a check in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant, knowing how to efficiently print checks can streamline your financial processes significantly. Let's dive in and see how you can easily do this in just a few minutes. First things first, you'll want to start by clicking on Sign In. Once you are on the QuickBooks homepage, make sure you're selecting QuickBooks Online as your platform. You'll then be prompted to type in your credentials. Enter your username and password and hit Continue. This is a simple yet crucial step, as accessing the correct QuickBooks space ensures that all your financial data is in place and ready for operations like print checks. Next, you'll navigate to the top left corner of your screen. You should see a New button there. This is where you initiate new transactions and financial documents in QuickBooks Online. Click on this button and from the drop-down menu choose Print Checks. Selecting this option sets the stage for creating and printing your checks. Moving forward, you'll need to click on Print Setup located at the bottom. The setup process is essential because it helps configure how your checks will be printed, ensuring everything is perfectly aligned. For most setups, the standard option is adequate, so go ahead and select standard as your default setting. Before you hit the actual print button, it's always a good idea to preview your check. This helps avoid errors and ensures everything appears as it should. Click on View Preview and Print Sample. Here, QuickBooks allows you to check how your details look on the sample printout. Take a moment to carefully examine the positioning of the text and numbers, as this is critical for checks to be valid and acceptable. After confirming everything looks good in the preview, go ahead and click on Print. Now here's a handy tip. Once your sample prints, place it on top of your stack of pre-printed checks. This way you can verify that your printing alignment is correct. If you notice that the dollar amount or any other detail didn't print as expected inside the sample preview setup, you can easily adjust the alignment. If adjustments are needed, select No Continue Setup and make the necessary changes to your printer alignment settings. If everything appears just right and your sample aligns correctly with your pre-printed check, simply click on Yes, I'm finished. With that, you should have a perfectly printed check, ready to be used for your financial transactions. Thank you for following along today. Printing checks in QuickBooks Online is an invaluable skill that, with a little practice, you'll be able to perform seamlessly, saving you both time and effort in managing your business finances. See you in the next video.